The word we'll be learning in this section is投票, which you will often hear in contexts related to elections, meetings, and decision-making. For example, you might hear this when discussing casting a vote or during a vote count when electing leaders or choosing options in meetings. The word 投票 means vote or voting in English. It's the action of making a choice or expressing an opinion at a meeting or an election. The first kanji means to throw or to cast something, and it also carries the idea of sending or giving. For example, in toshi, the sense of putting money into something comes from that notion of casting resources toward a purpose, and in nageru, it keeps the basic meaning of physically throwing. The second kanji means a ballot or vote, and it refers to marks or tallies used to decide something. In hyosu, it shows up as a count of votes, and in hyoketsu, it gives the sense of making a decision by those ballots. I will vote tomorrow. 私は明日投票します。私は明日投票します。The voting results are interesting. 投票結果は面白い。投票結果は面白い。It's time for a secret vote. 秘密投票の時間です。秘密投票の時間です。The polling station is near the station. 投票所は駅のそばにあります。投票所は駅のそばにあります。The most common synonyms for the word 投票 are 選挙 and 採決. 選挙 refers to an election, implying a formal process where votes are cast to choose leaders. 採決 is more about decision-making within organizations, indicating a vote to see which proposal or decision is favored. The most common antonyms of the word 投票 are 棄権 and 無投票. 棄権 means abstention, referring to the decision not to cast a vote. 無投票 refers to cases where voting is not conducted, either because it's not needed or some agreement is reached without voting.